going to show you how to look after your tomato plants. And it's not difficult, just a basic little trick so you can get a lot of harvest, reduce insects, and healthy, beautiful harvest. Okay, let's start. Okay, as you can see here, I've got the trellises, and there I've got the chicken wire, and I got big pole here. And that's how we need to help our tomato to grow, because they're going to climb. So here, I've got this one here. I haven't done it, so I left it to show you. You could see it's a little bit bushy, it's a bit disorganized. So there is some branches here that need to get rid of. So the tomato have lots of space, lots of air, so it can produce more fruits. There is this little branch is touching the ground, and the insects is getting to them, so we need to get rid of them. We don't want anything touching the ground. So what we're going to do, we're going to clip them. We're going to clear up all these little branches here. Yeah, so we clear that. Yeah, here I have two little stems, two branches here. We need only one. So this one is very straight, so it's closer to the stick. And this one is going a bit wild here, it's coming this way. So we are going to chop that out. We're going to take this one out. Look at that, it's looking beautiful already. Look, I even got some harvest here. And let's cut this one here as well. So now we have a long, straight plant, which is good, that's what we need. But we need to get rid of suckers. What are the suckers? So here, as you could see, we have our straight plant, which is very good. And here we have a branch coming out, so that's beautiful as well. It's not touching the ground, away from the ground. But we need to get rid of the suckers. You could see here, this one in the middle here, that is sucker. We don't need that because it's going to create another branch and it's going to get too bushy. So what we need to do, we need to just clip that away. And here you could see a little one here. We just get rid of that. Voila! Here I've got my elastic little tie, and I like this because it's very stretchy and it's soft and it doesn't hurt or damage the plant. So I'm going to tie it to my pole. Okay, and I'm just going to tie this here. Just do a little knot. And that's it. And as it grows, and I'm going to tie them. Beautiful. Getting rid of the suckers is amazing because, you know, you are seeing your plant and it's clean and it's healthy and it grows more fruits. That's the beauty of it. And I just want to share with you, which is so heavy on my heart. And I've seen so many people carry a burden, and the burden is unforgiveness. I mean, I've mentioned unforgiveness before, but I want to mention it again because it's a big deal. Many people live in bitterness. Oh, this person said that 5 years ago, or even this person said that or did that to me 20 years ago, and they still remember. They hold on to this bitterness, to this anger. And let me tell you something, it's not good for you. Probably the other person doesn't even know you're thinking that way. And the Bible says, forgive and you shall be forgiven. Because if you don't forgive those people, God will not forgive you. And you know what? It's creating a barrier, a hindrance, a wall between you and God. Your prayer will not go to heaven. It will hit the wall and it will come back, bear no fruits. It's like the plant. If I don't chop the suckers, if I don't look after it, there will be no fruit. So the advice I want to give you, forgive. Because God tells us to forgive. Have a clean heart because you want to live a joyful, happy life. If we don't forgive, we will live in misery, and that will hurt us more than the other person. So today I want to encourage you, looking after your tomatoes, how to trim them, how to look after them. But the most important thing, looking after your heart. Because God doesn't see how we look, what color we are, what sort, you're blonde, you're dark, you're brown. God sees the inside. He sees our heart. And God bless you. And I hope you enjoyed the program. And if you have pictures and any comments, please comment. And God bless you. See you soon.
All I want is you in front of me. I could have another, but you're always gonna be